To create a digital signature in Adobe Photoshop using the color range and minimum tools, first paste or place a picture of your handwritten signature into Photoshop. Once the image is open, select the crop tool from the toolbar and crop the document so you're only working with the signature. Next, go to the Channels panel and select the red channel. Then go to Image, Adjustments, Curves to increase the contrast between the signature and the background. In the Curves window, hold the Alt key and drag the white slider from the right side toward the left until the background becomes as clean as possible. Then hold Alt again and drag the black slider from the left toward the right to make the signature darker and more defined. Once the signature has a strong contrast, hold Ctrl and click the thumbnail of the red channel in the Channels panel to load the channel as a selection. Press Ctrl-Shift-I to invert the selection. After that, return to the Layers panel and turn off or hide the original signature layer. Next, create a solid color fill layer by clicking the Adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choosing Solid Color. Pick the color you want your digital signature to have, such as black, blue, or another color, and click OK. Photoshop will use the selection to create the signature with your chosen color. Finally, check the result and make sure the signature is clean and visible. That's it. You now have a reusable digital signature that you can place on documents or other designs in Photoshop.